Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. In the last class, we discussed about the lesson 3 questions. The king was asked to answer 3 questions to the hermit. So, when the king was again asked his questions to the hermit didn't give answer to his questions. Instead, he said, "Here someone coming. Here someone coming." So only I will explain you. You have to read in your own. So the king turned around. He saw a wounded man. The blood was coming out of his wounds. So the blood was coming out of his wounds. Then he lost his consciousness. So the man coming out, he was wounded. Then when he came to near the king and the hermit, he lost his consciousness. So the king himself washed his wounds with his handkerchief until the bleeding was stopped. So children, the king himself helped to old man to wash his wounds with his handkerchief until the bleeding was stopped. So after the treatment of the king, a wounded man was felt better. So after the treatment, he felt better. He asked for water and the king gave him fresh water to drink. It was the evening and both of them took him inside the hut. So the hermit and the king, both of them take him to inside the hut. The wounded man was sleeping silently on the bed, and the king was also tired because of his walking and working in the field. So he is also slept on the floor. Suddenly the king was woke up. The injured man was apologized to the king. The king was shocked because the wounded man was saying in a silent voice, "Sorry," to the king. The king was shocked. He asked to man, "Why are you asking me sorry?" Children, here the king asked to man, "Why are you saying sorry to me? I don't know who are you. But why are you saying sorry to me?" The king returned said to man, "I don't know who are you. Then why are you asking me sorry?" So then the man revealed the truth that he was his enemy. So the man was the enemy of the king because the king had killed his brother. Yes, children, listen. The king had killed the man's brother and seized his property. So he took the opportunity to take the revenge against the king. So he planned to kill the king as he know that the king was going alone to meet the wise hermit. So the man was planned to kill the king because he know that the king was going alone to meet the wise hermit. So he planned to kill him on his way, but the king did not return to home. So he came out of his hiding place. So the bodyguards of king was attacked him and injured him. So the bodyguard of king was attacked him and injured him. So but now the injured man was realized and apologized to king as, "So I wished to kill you. I wished to kill you. But you saved me. So you have washed my wounds and you treated me like your friend." So he said to king, "I became faithful servant to you." The king in turn promised to the man, "I will return your property and then your money." So the king also sent doctors to look after him properly. So the wounded man returned to his home. So now again the king was asked to hermit, "So for the last time I will ask you, I will beg you, please answer to my questions." So here in the last time also hermit didn't give answer to the king question. He simply sowing seeds in his field. Okay, so you have to write this part of the lesson. You have to write from the part number 2nd. You have to write the lesson until the page number 12 and read it once. It was his homework. Okay, thank you.